Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white and it looks great. I gotta love that white color. You do also have the chrome accenting on the grille there and the chrome bumper. You do have halogen quad headlamps right there. They are very bright as well. And you do have Goodyear Wrangler brand tires here, and those rims look very nice as well in the chrome. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there in the matte black, and coming all the way to the back we got a 5-foot box back here, chrome accenting on the bumper as well. We can open this guy up just like that. 5-foot box, lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Looks very nice as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, as well as you got your handle right here, and some storage just down there. Lots of room in here. It is very spacious and very comfortable. These seats are very nice cloth, feel awesome. You do have the control over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as right here you do have the control over your high beams, turning signals, and your windshield wipers. On the inside of the vehicle now, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It also has what temperature is outside, a very nice 20 degrees. You do also have how many kilometers the vehicle has been, only 16,000. That's really not that many at all. Now you can change that guy up a bit from your speedometer, to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, you got your trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, and then you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. Now you also have control over all that right here on your steering wheel, your horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side, and then your gear shift right here, just like that. You do have your radio here, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB or your aux cord. As well, you do have your info and your ABC, and then your presets right down there, volume up and down with the off button. You have your skip and your pause and all those, your audio menu and back button, and then your browser right there. And then down here in our climate control, we have our hazard lights. We have the power up and down with the push for the circulation. You have your AC and your heat. Then you also have your where it's going to blow out, plus your defrost. Then we have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. And then we do have the control over our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, our 2-wheel, and our neutral. And then down here we also have our storage. And then you got a plug in there and another one just over there. And then in the center we have 3 cup holders with our armrest, which doubles as a storage container. We have some coin holders here. And we have a USB plug-in, an aux cord plug-in, and a 12-volt plug-in. Lift this guy up just like this, and you do have another seat under there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we do have a dual layer glove box, so top layer and the bottom layer. You got your owner's manual in there as well. Take a look on the inside here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle and your control over your windows, another handle here, and the same kind of storage right there. Very nice back here. It is a crew cab, so you got lots and lots of room. It is the same material as the front, so very comfortable, very nice feel to it. You can lift this guy right up, and you do have some storage just underneath with your cup holders there if you did need to put something down here. As well, you got some additional storage right underneath the mats here, right there. You can use those guys all you like. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that's just for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.